Welcome to Next Level. Our mission is to provide financial and personal education that empowers you to take action. Today, we'll be talking about how to save and invest money you thought you never had. Yes, you heard me right. Saving and investing money you thought you never had. Before you ask how this is possible, let's consider the following. Your personal lifestyle. How often do you do a personal lifestyle financial audit? I have seen people complaining of not earning enough to save and invest. Yet, some of these people own bank and retail shops' credit card. They eat frequently from fast food restaurants. They drive some of the expensive cars on credit. And they also visit bars frequently for a drink. Let us be clear, there is nothing wrong with the above, provided they are done correctly. The question is, do you really have to buy clothes on credit when you have nothing to save and invest? In fact, when you buy clothes on credit, you make the rich get richer at your own expense. You pay the principal amount plus the interest on the principal. By paying both principal and interest, you are using up the money you are supposed to save and invest. If you can't buy the clothes with cash, then you can't afford it. The interest you pay on the principal amount for the clothing you bought on credit can be saved and invested wisely. That is the money you thought you never had. That interest which you pay on liability is the money you thought you never had. What about homemade food versus fast food from the restaurant? Not only is homemade food cheaper, but it is also healthier. The difference in amount you paid for eating from the restaurant can be saved and invested. Again, that is the money you thought you never had. Some of our colleagues, they've also used their letter of employment to secure a loan on car. If you can't buy the car on cash, then it means you may not be able to afford it. Why don't you consider buying a fairly used good vehicle that is really less expensive and save and invest the difference? Again, that is the money you thought you never had. Our experience suggests that new brand vehicle lost up to 40% of its value within the first 2 to 6 months. Whereas a good second-hand vehicle can be sold for the same amount you bought it even after 2 years, provided you maintain it properly. Surely, this makes more financial sense, especially if you are only starting your investing and saving journey. We are not suggesting that you should not take on credit. Credit or loans have their role in your investment journey. But you should do everything possible to avoid taking loans or credit on liabilities, which do not make you more money. The bottom line is that you should regularly audit your financial lifestyle, track all your expenses, and check whether the money that leaves your bank account is making additional money for you or not. If you do this regularly, that is, you audit your financial lifestyle regularly, you should be able to do away with spending money on things that do not advance your financial goal. By doing away with such expenses, you can free up the money you thought you never had. Of course, this exercise from our experience will be very difficult, painful, and emotional, but the benefits far outweigh the pains. This video has been of value to you. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos like this. We appreciate your time and we value you.